Get left behind. It's a walk like this. Then he goes and puts his bottle in your face when you sleep.
What'd you find? What'd you guys find? What's in there? What is it?
It's a fig of trees.
Where's Cole going? He's running away from home. They're good friends, the two of them. Where's Colbert? There he is. Aren't they pretty together? I think they're pretty together. Same size, different complementary colors. Ah, he's so pretty. Cole! Come here, Cole! Come here, Cole! Come here, Cole! Such a good boy! You're such a good boy! Okay. Bert! Come here, Bert! Come here, Bert! Come here, Bert! Good boy! Oh, you're so good. Good boys. Yes, good boys.
You will take pictures of anything, won't you?
Me?